yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name, say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Y'all, I don't know what I'm thinking. I don't know what it is that's going on in my brain right now, but I'm about to do something I've never done. And the reason why I've never done it is because I'm scary. Okay, I don't like glue anything near my hair, on my hair, none of that kind of stuff, which is why when it comes to my wigs and things, I only use hairspray, never no bold hold, none of that kind of stuff. I'm scary. However, we leave for Vegas, Dear and I, going on a vacation, much needed, Wednesday. Today is Monday, okay? And I'm gonna try QUICKWEAVE. I have got all of my supplies, bundles. I normally like do braids, crochet style, locks when I'm going on like a vacation. Very rarely do I do a wig, but this go around, I just want something different. Y'all, I'm so nervous. My thought process is if the foundation is super flat, I'll be good. Also, I have fine hair, but I don't want that much leave out either. I want a tiny bit of leave out. I called my sister to try to hype me up and she was like, you don't need no hyping up, you can do it. And I'm like, girl, yes I do. Y'all thinking that I don't be needing that. I need, hype me up, please, hype me up. If I hate it, today is Monday. I could literally wash it out tonight. Anyways, so we just gonna do this. And now I'm be quiet because if I don't do it right now, it's just not gonna happen, so.
All right, guys, let's get started. So first off, we're gonna section out our leave out. I wanted as little bit of my hair left out as possible, so did a middle part because that's just what I'm most comfortable with. It's my first time doing a quick weave, so I didn't want to do no sides, no vixen, no none of that kind of stuff. Keeping it real basic and real straight to the point. And then for my sides, you guys, I just did the smallest amount as well. And then the rest of my hair I'm braiding down. I think I ended up doing 7 braids total. I didn't want to spend all day braiding up my hair, but I knew I wanted my braids as small as could be and as flat as possible because I knew that would make a really good install with my braids being super flat. And then here, y'all, I'm just adding my hair density serum and then a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil. And I also sprayed a little bit of leave-in conditioner on my braids because look, this is still a protective style for me, so I wanted to make sure my natural hair was all good. Okay, so let's get into the actual quick weave application. So first step I did was take an HD cap. You see I'm using a black one. I got these off Amazon. I didn't want to do tan or anything like that. I did poke a hole in the side to make sure this was nice and flat to my head. And then I'm taking some hair spritz and I sprayed the spritz all over that first cap because I am going to use another one on top of this. I was so nervous about getting any type of glue seeping down into my natural hair. I saw so many horror stories and stuff on TikTok. I was like, let me just go ham and just spray this all over because I assume this is my first protective like shield. So next I took that second cap and then I took my actual black protective shield with a like a dye brush, application brush, and I just went in, you guys. There's no rhyme or reason with this. Just make sure you are not getting it on your leave out. Everything else is fair game. So I'm using mirrors. I'm doing the most. Every time I thought, okay, I think this is enough, I went and added some more of that protective shield. I pretty much used almost this entire like little small bottle because that's how serious I was. I was like, I just no glue will seep down onto my hair. And I think this is where maybe a lot of people go wrong. I really took my time with this part, making sure I got every little section, making sure every part of my head was covered in this black protective shield. I basically used the entire bottle. I didn't care. It was like $8 or something like that. Not a big deal to protect my hair. And I ended up blow drying this for about 20 minutes, like just nonstop. And then I even let it sit on my hair another 2 hours, y'all, because I had stuff to do, mom life, wife life, just, yeah, I had to get Isaiah homework. I just was not in a rush. More than anything, I was just making sure my natural hair was fine. Like I was like, okay, quick weave, whatever, but I wanted to make sure I was protecting my hair when everything's all said and done. So After this was nice and hard, you know, after blow drying or whatever, I went on ahead and took the excess off. I couldn't really show this on camera because I was so close up in the mirror, but this is how I was looking, and this is where I just waited for about 2 hours, and then I came back here to show you guys how we're looking. So this is like 2 hours later, if not a little bit more, you guys. I feel like this is, I don't know, it may be a little excessive, I'm not really sure, but we're moving right along. And I'm gonna tell you right now, when I went to go wash this out of my head, like take out my quick weave, it slid right off, and I got pictures at the end of this video to show you guys. So yeah, anyways, you guys, so I'm doing body wave hair. I think I have 14, 16, 20, or 14, 16, 18, I'm sorry. And I got this hair from Amazon. It was like $100. I was not about to spend all this money on my first quick weave install and not knowing if I would like it, love it, whatever the case may be. And I was like, $100 for 3 bundles of hair, sold. And I knew I was only gonna leave it in for like a week and a half max, so I was good. Okay, this part here is actually pretty self-explanatory, and it's actually very easy. All you're doing is just measuring your weft, so just measuring your hair where you want to start it. And I ended up cutting my tracks because why not? I'm not doing no flip overs and all that kind of stuff. And then I took the glue, added the glue to the track, put the track on my head. As you guys can see, that's what I'm doing right here. When you got the track where you want it to be, I'm just going to blow dry it down for maybe 15 seconds or so. It blow dried like really fast, maybe 15, 20 seconds. And then I'm going to take that spritz again and just add a little bit more spritz right at the track, like right where, you know, the glue is, just for a little extra hold, and blow dry that down again. So it's very repetitive. It's not hard, it's just tedious. So basically you're just taking your weft, you're going to measure it on your head, you're going to add your glue to the weft, blow dry that down, then take your spritz, add the spritz to your weft again to your actual head, you know what I mean, and then blow dry that down again, you guys. So I shrugged my shoulders here because I knew I messed up, because I was like, okay, this is like a pack of hair, and I was like almost done with my head. I was like, okay, I did something wrong. I definitely did not do I didn't put the tracks as close together as they should have. So off camera, y'all, like the next day I went back in and added more hair to my head to make it a little bit fuller because it was a little on the thinner side, y'all will see. And I ended up using like 2.5 bundles. That's just the best I could do. I was cool with it. I was like, you know what, it's gonna work. We're going to Vegas, me and my husband, like we were chilling, we weren't doing the most, and he loves me just the way that I am. So I was like, okay, I'm cute, I'm good. But next time I know to just, you know, try and keep those tracks together a little bit more than I should to get a fuller look. I don't know how I'm gonna end up doing like 5 bundles like some of y'all be doing, but I'm a work on it. So this is the end, you guys. This is where I was at. I did end up washing the hair. I obviously did not get the track or the, you know, get the water near my scalp, but I knew I had to wash it just to kind of get rid of the shine, and also washing extensions just makes it a little bit more full, and it ended up blending so much better once I did it, you guys. I love the amount of leave out that I had. I love the look. My husband ended up really liking the look. It wasn't too full. It really just flowed. It looked like my hair, and yeah, I liked. This was my first time doing it, and this is the outcome right here, you guys. I didn't style it, just wanted to show you guys the final look once it's been blow dried and stuff, and the texture is great. It felt good. I'm going to show you guys an up close look. I'm not saying this hair is like amazing, but for the week and a half I had it in, I was fine with it. It curled well, it blended really well. I was happy with the $100. You know, you can't complain for 3 bundles for $100, you guys. And I will honestly use it again. Okay, here, you guys, I just wanted to show y'all what the quick weave looked like once I got it taken off. All I did was get in the shower, y'all, and just sit underneath the water and let the water basically do its thing. I barely tugged, barely pulled. It came and slipped right on out. So make sure you guys check the description box. I will have everything down there for you guys. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
If somebody's heaven, tell me who. Say my name, say my name.